Next, we will move on to some drawing tools, and we will start with the pen tool. The pen tool allows to create precise paths, plotting anchor points which are connected with curves. To create a straight line, simply click 2 times on the canvas. If you want to make your corner smooth and the line curved, click and drag on the canvas to adjust the point handles. Click on the very first anchor point to close the path and create a closed shape. Click anywhere on the path to add a new anchor point in that place. Double-click an anchor point to convert it to a corner, and double-click again to convert it to smooth. You can adjust the line curvature by clicking on an anchor point and then clicking and dragging one of the handles that appear on each side. If you want to adjust one handle without affecting the curvature of the second half of the path, hold down the touch selector. And now you can individually adjust each handle. Next comes a set of drawing tools where you can switch between pencil, blob brush and paintbrush. For pencil and blob brush, you can pick up predefined styles. Whereas for the paintbrush, you can create your own one. These tools allow to create more natural hand-drawn lines. If you want to adjust the smoothness of the lines, you can go to the smoothing tool in the bottom of the tool panel. And by dragging this slider up and down, you can adjust how assisted the line is going to be. Holding down the touch selector while drawing with a pencil will allow you to create straight lines under perfect angles. The eraser tool splits your shape into individual ones, removing a part of a path and replacing it with a new outline. The Shapes tool allows you to create a variety of shapes by selecting an option and clicking and dragging anywhere on the canvas. As you can see, once you've created a shape and while it's selected, you will have the same set of options available like when you're using a selection tool. Holding down the touch selector while drawing a shape will allow you to draw a perfect shape, a circle, an equilateral triangle, etc. In the next lesson, we will go through the remaining tools in the left panel.